Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to Living on the Edge. I'm Shane.
Daniel. Matthew.
What?
Today we're going to be hiking Colonel Bob via Peach Creek Trail.
We're going to be walking up to 4.4 miles up and 4.4 miles down, with the elevation of over 4,000.
Over 4,000.
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
So far, it's beautiful.
So far. And it hasn't been that bad either.
Hasn't. Someone has stone.
We're going to stop right now because there's people up there.
So there's a camera
there is a
recording.
camera recording.
First?
We can turn it off so you can pass by. We run a YouTube channel.
Go ahead,
So
continue on.
No,
we'll edit it out or we'll shut it off. It's fine.
Okay. We're living on the edge,
Yeah.
so you should check us out on YouTube and
Okay.
Facebook.
For sure.
Living on the edge?
Yeah.
Got it. Hi, baby. I'll definitely check it out.
We are ambassadors for Madra. This
Right.
group is. So what that means is if you guys buy a hammock, Madra's company grows plants. 2 trees. Why 2 trees, you might ask? 2 trees because it takes 2 trees to have a hammock. That's their thing.
Below.
A link will be in the description below. Use Living on the Edge, no spaces, and you get a discount, 20% off.
And no G.
No G. Living on the Edge.
Link in the description for all those things below.
That's right. And stay tuned because we're getting to the top of Colonel Bob.
We are greeted now by a whole bunch of back and forths as Apollo is demonstrating to you. Apollo's coming to you.
Hey, baby.
And looks like we got that to continue. Joyous joy.
So you're probably wondering why we hike. One of the main reasons we hike is the gorgeous views. Just look at this. No words can describe how beautiful this is.
So as you can see from our first 0.1 mile into the hike, very overgrown. Not very, but you know, overgrown. There's some leg room in there. Do you guys like it so far?
Love it.
So we ran into some visitors. Shout out to those people over there that we just met. Hope you're watching this video. Thanks for watching and going to Living on the Edge.
Almost to the top. If you guys can see that right down there is the trail. We walked over in here, over there, up over where that shadow is, and down on the back side, back behind this mountain. Where we videotaped last time, we were over here, coming over this way, coming down in between this valley over here, or actually I think it was more over here, and we would have cut across this mountain, came down there, came across here, and came down in that area. But this is it. It's what you get. There's Lake Quinault, or Quinault Lake, however you want to say it. And this is a cliff, straight down. That right there is treetops, straight down. This is why we do this. Living on the edge. This is literally an edge. you guys check out our YouTube channel, Living on the Edge. Because if you're not living on the edge, you ain't living. And this is definitely on the edge. And the highest spot that I could go here, well, besides maybe a couple of these little rocks, but my people are waiting for me.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We reached the summit of Colonel Bob Peak and it was amazing. Hope you guys can join us on the next video. Give us any criticism you have in the comments below. Please feel free to subscribe, share, like, and like I already said, comment something that you think we can improve on, or just comment something that you enjoyed about the video. Have a good day, and remember, if you ain't living on the edge, you ain't living at all.